What is up, guys? This is Vitrulant, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install autotouch. So you need a jailbroken device. Then you're going to want to go into Cydia. Then when you're at the home screen, it's with the Big Boss packages, so you won't need to install any sources. Then just search autotouch. And it should be for iOS 7, and if you're running on any lower software version, then you're going to want to install autotouch. Then you click it, and then it would say install. You click install, continue. Then when it's installed, you'll go into this and you'll come with a page. It should be blank, wouldn't have either of these. Then you'll have to make an account, and then you have to buy a license, which is $9.99, and you can find all kinds of different scripts, which allows you to. It copies what you do. So like all these different ones. And yeah, thanks for watching. Vitrulant out.